Welcome back to the Remodel Report by USA Cabinet Store. Today, we're heading to Oviedo, Florida, and I've got a claim that's going to make some of you very happy. If you live in Oviedo, your bathroom remodel probably costs less than your friends in older Orlando neighborhoods. Lily, why?
Because of your house, basically. Oviedo is a Seminole County city built mostly on subdivisions from the late 1990s onward. Live Oak Reserve, Twin Rivers, Alafaya Woods, and newer homes hide far fewer nasty surprises behind the walls.
So let's put real numbers on it. What's a bathroom remodel actually running in Oviedo in 2026?
Most homeowners spend between $5,709 and $15,372, which lands at or just below the Orlando metro average. For a full permitted remodel, think $15,000 to $35,000 for a standard bath and $25,000 to $50,000 or more for a primary suite.
And that at or below average part is the Oviedo story. Walk me through why newer homes are cheaper to renovate.
3 things: modern plumbing, CPVC and PEX instead of corroded cast iron, grounded wiring that's already close to code, and drywall instead of old lath and plaster, so demolition is clean and cheap. In a 1925 bungalow, any one of those can blow up your budget. In Oviedo, you mostly skip that lottery.
Which changes the contingency math, right?
Exactly. In a historic home, we tell people to hold back 15% for surprises. In Oviedo's newer stock, 10% is usually plenty. On a $25,000 job that's about $1,250, you can spend on better tile instead of saving it for rot you'll never find.
So where does the money actually go in an Oviedo bath?
Into choices, not repairs. The classic Oviedo project is ripping out that giant 1990s corner garden tub nobody uses and building a big walk-in shower instead. Nothing's broken. You just want it gone. So your dollars buy upgrades you actually see every day.
Now the part everyone gets wrong. Permits. Because Oviedo is its own thing.
It really is. Oviedo runs its own city building department. Your permit doesn't go to Orange County, it doesn't go to the city of Orlando, and for most of Oviedo, it doesn't even go to Seminole County. It goes to the city of Oviedo through their online portal. The exception is unincorporated pockets like parts of Black Hammock, which file with the county.
And there's a nice side effect of Oviedo's permit rules, isn't there?
There is. Every Oviedo permit needs the contractor's liability insurance, workers' comp, and a real license on file. An unlicensed handyman can't clear that bar, so the city's own paperwork screens out exactly the people you'd never want touching your plumbing.
Let's talk Florida humidity quickly, because newer house or not, you're still in Central Florida.
Right. 60 to 70% indoor humidity. So porcelain tile over marble, quartz tops, mold-resistant board, real waterproofing, and 3/4-inch plywood vanity boxes, never particle board. And get an exhaust fan that vents outside. That stuff costs a little more, and it's completely non-negotiable here.
Best money for resale? Quick lightning round.
Tub to walk-in shower, 75 to 85% return. New vanity with a quartz top. Better lighting, which is shockingly cheap and makes the whole room read as expensive. And if Oviedo is your forever home for the schools, add blocking in the walls now so a grab bar installs later in 5 minutes. Then come see us at the Winter Springs showroom, about 10 minutes away, and we'll build you a line-item estimate with a free 3D design.
That's the Oviedo playbook. Newer home, fewer surprises, file with the city of Oviedo, and spend where you'll feel it. The full guide and pricing is on our website at usacabinetstore.com. Or call the Winter Springs showroom at 407-335-4404.
Thanks for listening, Oviedo. Bye, everyone.